Okay, this is the before of the machine. I had ended up breaking this out and ordered one off eBay for 20 bucks. But this is the before. As you can see, it's just old metal. Like, this is all chipped up. You're gonna have to repaint that. Everything works with it though, except for that piece that I had to replace. But everything works. Really just gonna repaint the whole thing gold and red. I bought a brighter red. Do the stand too. That's why it's out here right now. I went ahead and got a metallic gold, bright gold, which is roughly the same color as that, and then some safety red gloss, which is much brighter than that because I wanted it to pop. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start by doing the caps and all the gold pieces. Probably do like 2 or 3 layers on it, but I mean that's relatively the same color as before. So yeah, that looks real nice. Got them all painted. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 coats on them, and they already look super good. Especially these, the gold looks great. Alright, I finished painting them all up. Gold and red, as you can see, looks real nice. Looks brand new compared to what it was last time. Like I said, I did have to buy a new lock, so I got it on eBay for 20 bucks. It's this one. It's just pretty much the newer model, I think. Here's the key with that one, and then separate key. This is the older one. It wasn't a T007 like this one was. I don't remember what model